I call Catherine's Creations. The reason I call them that is because at this time in my life, I found myself with nothing to do at home with COVID. And I want to do something good. And I shop at the Goodwills, and I find things I can repurpose, bring home, and make brand new homes for them out of either air plants, which I have here today, or I do them out of succulents.
These homemade, one-of-a-kind home decor pieces made by Katherine Lawrence are found at Goodwill. Hidden in plain sight, yet limited to our imagination, they are your glassware, your trinkets, and your souvenirs. Together, they formulate Katherine's Creations, a focal point centerpiece for your home that supports Katherine in more ways than one.
They've helped me. I would basically say Goodwill did. That's the reason why I first brought one that they have in their store here. It was for my appreciation to say that thank you for being part of my helping me and helping other people get through this COVID. Because if I didn't have stores like this that I could come and shop and be able to create, I would be depressed.
It's amazing how brilliance and creativity can turn something ordinary into something extraordinary.
I've just been a crafty person my whole entire life. My mom was, my dad was. To me, it's something nice that you can take something that has been used before, repurpose it, make a new home, and give somebody else a smile that they can have all day.
It's not like Katherine stumbled upon this idea, as inspiration has been there the entire time. Sometimes all a creative idea needs is a push, because the inspiration is all around us.
I love the fact that my son is the one that started me in all this. He started, his first job was at this place. And he inspires me also, because he'll go and he'll videotape me. What do you think, Mom? What do you think, Mom? And do you think you can make something neat? And that just, it helps me out and gets me through the day.